Hello friends and YouTube. Today I am going to discuss a portion of my series because you can see in my list there is about 11 portions of the series. Okay, the topic we are going to discuss is a very advanced topic which is called Elasticsearch. As many of you may or may not know, Elasticsearch is used in what is called big data. Big data is nothing but a huge data which can be segregated and analyzed using Elasticsearch. The data could be having memory capacity in terms of gigabytes, GB. So let's go through the agenda first. First agenda, which is the first episode, will be introduction about Elasticsearch. You may skip this video if you know it, and you can right away hop into any of the series. And please remember to subscribe and press the bell button for latest updates to my channel. So let's go through 1 to 11. First will be introduction about Elasticsearch. Second will be what is ELK stack. Number 3 will be how to quickly install ELK on a VPS with Ubuntu. Of course, you can install ELK based on the operating system that you have, but I am going to demonstrate to illustrate with a VPS hosted with Ubuntu operating system. How to condition the shell script from my GitHub repo so that it can run properly. This is a very important step because I have configured and reconfigured this shell script so that it's very easily working for anybody who is having VPS and Ubuntu. It took a few days for me to condition it. So don't skip this episode, which is number 4. Number 5 will be how to install Nginx and make Kibana serve at localhost. Number 6 will be how to remove ELK completely. This is also a very important step in case you want to upgrade or remove the ELK completely from your VPS. You have to follow this step, then it's very easy for you. Number 7, how to install ELK again, because in 6th step we have uninstalled it. Number 8, how to index a CSV file, how to index a log file, and how to make a dashboard. Finally, we will talk about some finishing touches. So all these episodes are very important if you are planning to understand ELK. It has a lot of industry applications and job opportunities. So please tag along with me in all these episodes and show your support by subscribing to my YouTube channel, which is Penang Teams. So let's go forward with the first episode, which is introduction about Elasticsearch. So I am not making any PowerPoint slides or presentations because everything is available in the internet. I will go through with you to read about it now. So this is the official website for Elasticsearch. We are now in the Elasticsearch official website. Elasticsearch is a registered company and they offer cloud services and many other paid features, but we will be focusing on the open source version of Elasticsearch, which is very user friendly and we can study a lot of things. So in the advanced cases or when we are working in some industries, we can use Elastic Cloud. Now let's understand Elasticsearch. So as I told you, I'm just using some websites which come out from Google search. So what here they are telling us is that Elasticsearch is the main product of a company called Elastic. As you can see, elastic.co, that is the company's address. So that is the company. It is used for web search, log analysis and big data analysis. So underline the word big data analysis, which is very hot topic. Often compared with Apache SOLR, both depend on Apache Lucene for low-level indexing and analysis. So if we want to know more about Apache Lucene and Apache SOLR, we have to Google for that and understand, okay? So Elasticsearch is more popular because it is easy to install, scales to hundreds of nodes with no additional software, and it is easy to work with REST APIs. So some of the technical terms may not be so familiar. So let's skip that out. Let's focus on the Elasticsearch. So what is the key benefits of Elasticsearch? Developer friendly API. So the name itself is telling everything. Real-time analytics. So Elasticsearch can be used for real-time analytics. That means it can stream data in and we will be able to analysis or do an analytics with real-time. Ease of data indexing. So as usual with any RDBMS or any SQL packages, we need to do an indexing in order to proceed for doing the Elasticsearch. We will discuss about indexing everything in our later videos. Full text search, that is the most powerful thing of Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch can search over full text and hence it is very powerful. Something like log files, you can imagine log files are a big data of text files. So Elasticsearch can bring out meaningful understanding from the log files. Resilient clusters. Elasticsearch clusters are resilient. They will detect new or failed nodes. It will also reorganize and rebalance data automatically to ensure that your data is safe and accessible. That is the most important thing. If data breaks anywhere, it reorganizes and rebalances so that the data is safe and still accessible. So then that completes about the Elasticsearch intro. Then we will go into ELK in our next episode. So till then, watch for my playlist where I will put everything in my playlist which you can very easily follow and understand about ELK stack and installation, deployment, everything you can read here. We will follow this sequence. Currently we have completed the first episode, which is introduction about Elasticsearch. Now we will take up what is ELK stack in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.